I am Dauda Yusuf Kano, and I'm one of the CEOs of Unimak Creative Writers. In Unimak Creative Writers, we see how far we can inculcate the spirit of writing into people. We as CEOs want to see how far we can impact society with the notion of writing. Unimak Creative Writers see how far we can improve the basic skills in writing, especially in the forms of literature, poetry, and drama. If you visit our blogs, our sites, you will notice that you see different content that has to deal with creative writing. What we mean by creative writing, we want to see how far we can establish the innate abilities that each and every person has. The tendency for everyone to write is not slim. There is a great possibility for one to establish his or her potential abilities to write. You can write, I can write, we all can write. Let us inculcate the spirit of writing. So if you want to be a person that wants to write, make sure that you log in to our website and pages and see different content of writing. Thank you.